Hi, I'm Darya Niknamian. I'm the Content Marketing Manager for Dataconomy, and we're here at Berlin Buzzwords talking to Ira Cohen from Anodot. Hi Ira, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
So I was wondering if you can just tell us a bit about yourself and your job, what you do.
So my name is Ira Cohen. I'm, as you said, Chief Data Scientist for Anodot. We're a small startup, about 2 years old, from Israel, doing anomaly detection at large scale for various organizations. My job as a Chief Data Scientist actually has, because we're a small startup, I do lots of jobs. So besides helping develop the algorithms that run Anodot, that do anomaly detection, I also meet a lot of customers. I'm the product manager. I take care of the fish. I wash the dishes. I don't clean the floors. We have cleaners for that.
That's a no-no, cleaning the floors. That's where you draw the line.
That's right.
Yeah, nice, great. And since a lot of our readers are aspiring data scientists, and I mean, DJ Patel said the sexiest job of the 21st century is a data scientist. Can you tell us about how you got to where you are, how you're a chief data scientist, and maybe any tips you have for people?
Sure. So I actually got there not because, I mean, when I started, it wasn't called data science. I did my PhD in image processing in the US, in the University of Illinois. And image processing at the time just deteriorated into what's called machine learning. And I deteriorated with it. So, and I like data. So I always like to analyze data and see what comes out of it. Especially when it's computer vision and things of that sort. So my degree was in machine learning, and then after I finished, whenever I would tell somebody I do machine learning, they would think I'm doing education programs to help people learn with machines. Luckily, data science came out that term maybe 5 years ago or 6 years ago. So I would say the best thing to do to be a data scientist is really to go study computer science and then take some courses in it and see if you like it. And the main difference between data science and the normal programming computer science is that you really are doing a lot more research in whatever you do. So there is no deterministic out of the box something that works. It's a lot of art still, unfortunately. Things are changing, but you have to experiment and be willing to fail a lot with your experimentation. And if you're willing to do that and try out and really like looking at data and gazing at numbers and the data and the results, you'll do well. If you don't like doing that and you like very deterministic things that work right off the bat, then data science is not for you.
Great, thank you very much. I think that's very interesting that you said willing to fail. I think that's super key. I never thought about that, so that's very good. I like that.
You fail 99% of the time,
yeah, true.
And then at the end maybe you succeed and maybe you don't.
Absolutely. Very cool. And so if you could work with a robot, what part of your job would you ask the robot to do?
So in a lot of my job I actually have to deal with customers and their complaints. I would have the robots deal with that.
Okay, fair enough. Cool. Thank you very much.